What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's Worm Wednesday. I'm actually going to be going away for a few extra days, so I'm going to give them a pretty big feeding today, the worms. If you've been following either the community tab or some of the shorts that I've done, I've shot a couple 300s recently, which has been pretty awesome. So we'll go ahead, hop right into the bin, and show you the feeding that I'm going to give the 1 pound red wiggler bin. Okay, so got a couple worms hanging out on the bubble wrap. Wow, I don't know if you can see that moisture. And holy cow. Still a couple guys. So, leaving this on top, if you can hear it, it's nice and dry now. There still were a couple little worms hanging out, but that did exactly what I thought it was going to do, leaving it up top. Allow that to dry out some. Couple worms were hanging right underneath the where the cob was. Wow. Yeah, I can't get over the moisture. Shows you how good that bubble wrap is. Okay, diving right in. Looks like, oh, this was the grapes. That's what was in that. So I'll just kind of leave that to the side for now. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh man, this is spectacular. Oh, it feels like another little pocket. Oh yeah, banana peel, baby. Oh, that's great. I don't know why I'm whispering. Oh, yeah, I forgot I put the toilet paper roll. I guess I went ahead and might have flung stuff out, so I'll just leave it whole and check on it on the next one. Hopefully I remember. Okay, so I got food there. I guess I'll put the other food kind of right in here. Because in like 2 days, I think I'm going to be gone for close to 10 days. So I'm going to give them a fairly large feeding. Let me go ahead and even get them some bedding too. So got a nice little feeding for them. Cucumber. You see some carrots. Got a ton of blueberries. You want to give them a little squeeze so they don't really just ferment. Bust them up so they can get to them. Quarter of apple, and then a nice pineapple chunk. Okay, ground up eggshells like normal. And I'm going to cover this up. I still haven't had a chance to go ahead and make any more worm shell, so this will do for them for now. So that's where the new feeding is. We have the old feeding there. Typically, if I was going to be around, I probably wouldn't have fed, or if I did feed, it would have just been a little bit. However, with going away, I just want to make sure that the worms are good to go. And actually, I'm going to even just add a little extra bedding too. And also, I think another thing with how damp this was, I'm just going to place the bubble wrap in here for now, and give it a day or two, and then I'll probably cover up at least a little bit of it before I go, just to make sure that the moisture stays pretty decent for the worms. Hope you guys enjoyed the worm ball. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.